Welcome, Big Red Money Pit Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Today we had our OBS of San Antonio little truck meet on the northwest side of town. Took me quite a while to get there, but I took the work truck, as you can see. Brought my hat. So, gonna put a little video together for you guys here of all the trucks we saw that I was able to record. And it was a great turnout. Met some cool people, some really cool trucks. So got some ideas of things I'd like to do to mine, and hopefully those will turn into future videos. So please like and subscribe, and check out the little car meet. Thanks for watching. So hopefully you liked that one. Lot of cool trucks that showed up. We had a good turnout. So thanks for everybody that was there. Thanks for whoever put it together for us. You know, this was an awesome thing to do. Can't wait for the next one. So please like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see next. Thanks.